Introduction to Adobe Photoshop Elements. Unfortunately, this tutorial is created using a Mac, and therefore are some slight differences, but nothing too significant. I will point them out as we go. This tutorial is going to introduce you to the Adobe Photoshop Elements interface or layout. As you can see, there's a menu bar that's located at the top of the screen, as in most other software programs that you are familiar with. The File, Edit, etc. To the right of the menu bar are quick buttons to undo your last step or redo your previous step. Also, there is an organizer button, not located here on the Mac. However, on the Windows computer, you will see a little house that represents the organizer. The organizer is a very useful interface that allows you to organize your photos with the help of keywords, face detection, and other tools. We will not be learning about the organizer in this course, as there are too many users operating the school computers, and this is designed for you to set up on your own computer. If you would like to use this at home, I would encourage you to do so, as it is a very powerful tool. To the left of the screen is the toolbox. Located here are all the necessary tools you will need to edit your photos. We will get into the toolbox in detail in a later tutorial. Two specific items I would like to point out now, however, are: notice the toolbar is set up in one column. If you click this little button to the left, the top left corner, it now becomes a double row. You can click it again to put it back to a single row. Each time you click on a tool, any tool, you will notice that this section up here, called the Option menu or Option bar, changes. I click the marquee tool, I have certain options. I click the crop tool, I get other options. The paintbrush tool, other options. Next, we will talk about the project bin. The project bin shows the photos that are presently open in Elements. If you double-click a photo in the project bin, it will appear in the main editing window, which is done right now. If I minimize it, and I double-click on the photo, it appears back in the main window. Like more editing room, you can minimize your project bin by right-clicking on the project bin word and selecting minimize. This will now allow you a little more space for editing. If you would like the bin back in its place, right-click and expand the panel. If you have more than one photo open at a time, all of these photos will appear in your project bin. So there you have intro number 1. We have learned the location and purpose of the menu bar, the toolbar, the option bar, and the project bin. A reminder that you will be required to be able to locate these items on your quiz number 1. We will continue to look at the remainder of the interface in our intro video number 2. Have a great day.